Here's another type of problem you'll see here in today's or this week's activities and reading quizzes. Suppose the length of a rectangle is 12 feet more than the width. 12 feet more than the width, all right, the length. All right, if the width is 7 feet, then what is the perimeter of the rectangle? I say draw a picture when this happens of any kind of geometric figure. And, sorry, that is a poor looking triangle. That's okay, I'm trying to do this one-handed. So 7 feet is the width, and the length is 12 feet more than that. So this is 12 feet more. So hopefully you are thinking that. So that now is 19 feet, and that's 7 feet. So the question is, what's the perimeter? The perimeter then is all the way around. So it would be 2 of those added to 2 of those. So you could write it this way. That's multiply 2 widths added to 2 lengths. So that's 14 plus 38, which is 52 feet. 52 feet there. All right. So that's all right. Let's look at number 5 here. Find a symbolic rule that calculates the perimeter P of this rectangle with this information in terms of the width W. So let's go in general. So this is a little bit more abstract. Let's draw a rectangle. Using this same information, all right, suppose the length is 12 feet more than the width. We want to find a symbolic rule that calculates perimeter if the width is not a known value like 7, but an unknown value, let's say W. So what would this be then if this is a width of W, or W feet? Well, according to this information, it's 12 more than the width. 12 more than that is what this should be. So how do we write that in terms of the width? Well, 12 more would be this. So the more than number goes last, and that goes first. So this is W, and that's 12 more than W, or W plus 12. So now the challenging part is, what's the formula or the symbolic rule that calculates perimeter? So you need 2 of those. So that's W, and that's, W plus 12. So 2 of those and 2 of those. So, well, that's written this way: 2 widths added to 2 of those. Now 2 of those we got to indicate are multiplying with parentheses. So that's fine right there. I mean, you could call it 2W, which indicates multiply times that expression. And maybe that's uncomfortable. Hopefully it is for you, because you could use a distributive property and multiply the 2 with the W added with the 2 and the 12 to undo that parentheses. So that would look like this. So 2 times that, and then 2 times that. So what we'd have here is this 2W added to 24. Or better put, you can combine like terms here, 4W plus 24.